Welcome to the installation guide for SmartLock. Model type code SWUN. The Swage reducer. Important installation information. Step 1. Place the marking gauge over the swage and tube. Align the guideline with the end of the tube. Mark a line as indicated on both tubes. Step 2. Insert swage into swage nut until the swage stops. Step 3. Mark line 1 should be aligned or near the end of the fitting on swage. Step 4. Remove positioning strip 1. Step 5. Hold the body, then hand tighten swage nut. Step 6. Insert tube into tube nut until the tube stops. Step 7. Marked line 2 should be aligned or near the end of the fitting on tube. Step 8. Remove positioning strip 2. Step 9. Hold the body, then hand tighten tube nut. Step 10. With the first wrench, hold the body. With the second wrench, tighten swage nut and tube nut. Step 11. Wrench tighten until there are no gaps and swage nut, body, and tube nut are completely flush. Thank you for using SmartLock fittings, your high-pressure, quick connect solution.